It's April 3rd, 2025, north of Panama Canal, and you can see the water's rising. You can see that little square vent there. Soon it's going to be submerged. You see the water comes in here through gravity. We're rising up pretty quick. It's kind of cool. I use this as a bridge. It's pretty good. And it rises pretty quick. That's a lot of water. This all comes from Lake Gatan currently, which is a man-made lake based on a river being dammed up, and it's way above sea level, and if not for these locks, the whole thing would drain.